Hello guys. Today's video is going to be a really quick video, and this question is also not so simple to understand. I hope I can do justice to this question. What we are given here is we are given few buildings, and if you ever have watched a huge skyscraper, you must know that a building besides a building will only be seen for a certain path. So what we want to do is we need to return the skyline of this building. We want to return the boundaries of all the buildings. So it is somewhat same like a merge interval question, but this question also has a height. So we are given a list of lists which contains first the starting point, then the ending point, and also the height. So what we want to do is, if the starting see, there are only three cases: that a window a building is submerged behind another building, so we don't care about that building. Another case is a building is starting but then is submerged behind some other building, and the third case is a building uh, started when it was behind another building and now it is in front of some other buildings. And the fourth case is a building is completely behind another building, but due to its height we can see some parts of the building. Okay, so we need to take care of all the parts. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be first I'll be changing the inputs. My inputs are start, end, and height. What I want is start height, and if it and what I and simultaneously what I want is end height. So how do I the start and end index are same? I mean they're on x-axis. How do I know if they are on the if it is a start or it is end? So I need to write also if it is a s for start, or let's say a true if it is star and a false if it is not. So I'll be changing this. I'll be using a class to do this. Here I can maybe explain you this code. I have created another class. Why do I implement comparable here? Because I need to sort this also. How do I need to sort it? On the basis of the start index. So as they are starting, on the basis of their start index I need them to be sorted. Simple. And what is my plan is here. If How do I know that this point 0 what this is 2 comma 2 maybe something. So how do I know that 2 comma 0 should 0 comma 2 should be 2 comma 0 should be a part of the list or not? So this is how am I going to do this. I'll create a priority queue. I'll insert the height as 0 in the beginning, then I'll take the first point. This point is 1 2 and its height is 10. So I'll insert 10 in the priority queue, then I'll check if the max has changed or not. Of course the max has changed. So if the max changed, then I need to insert this point is 2 comma 0 to it. Then again what I'll do is my second point is 3 comma 15. Now I'll insert 15 to the priority queue, and again my max has been updated, and I won't delete 10 now. I'll delete it when I encounter a end for this. So right now I'm on 3 comma 15. I have inserted 15. I have 3. So how do I know that do I need to insert 3 comma 15 or not? If the max has changes, please insert it, otherwise don't. Coming on to this point, it is 5 comma let's say 12. Again max has changed. The max was 15, so the max hasn't changed, hence I don't need to insert this point. We can move ahead. Then I am on this point, so do I need to insert this point or not? Now I check if 15 is already present there or not. So if 15 is already present there, I'll delete the max. I'll delete 15, and hence max has changed back to 10. And I insert this point because max has changed. Again I go to this point. I'll go to this point now. Now my max is 10 and max hasn't changed, so I won't insert this point. Now at this point 12 comma 12, I'll insert 12, and my max has changed, and hence I need to insert this point. It is a fairly simple solution if you look at it. What I had to do is I had to make a class for to store these values, and I also had to make the comparables. If both the starting point of both of them are same, then I had to sort them by height. So I did this, and I inserted them. I created my own inputs the way I wanted. I created a priority queue using tree map. Then what I did is I simply checked for each point and checked if they are done or not. At the end, I however encountered this difficulty that my answer was not a list of lists. It was a list of arrays, integer arrays. So what I had to do is I had to create another list, then I had to create another one-dimensional list, and then I had to add it, and then I had to return a list of integers. And it was simple. I already submitted the code, and I wasn't able to do the live solution today. I planned to do it, but this question took me a while to understand and to implement, and I have few difficulties while implementing it also. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much.